Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Google Workspace domain. So all you need to do is follow these steps. So before you start, you must be a super admin, you must own the new domain and have access to its DNS settings. So the first option is to change primary domain, rebrand or new domain, a new main domain. And then for the step one, add the new domain, go to admin.google.com and then click account, domains, manage domains, and then click add a domain, choose add another domain, enter the new domain and verify it via DNS TXT record. Step 2, make it primary. In manage domains, select the new domain, click make primary and then confirm. And then step 3, update email settings, update MX records to Google, set up SPF, DKIM and DMARS, rename users or add alias if needed. For option 2, add as domain alias, keep all domain. Use this if you want users to receive email on both domains in the same inbox. Go to manage domains, click add a domain, choose add a domain alias, verify via DNS, and then assign alias emails to users. Final check, test sending, receiving emails, and update third-party apps and signatures if needed, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.